What is up, boys? I'm sorry, I look like a crack whore in this video. I didn't get ready today, and yeah, no offense to the crack whores out there though. But do you know what this means? We are highlighting my hair today. So I know I said in my last video that I was gonna be letting my hair chill and like wasn't gonna dye it or touch it. I'm not leaving my hair. I'm letting my hair chill for now. Y'all should have called my bluff and should have called bullshit right then and there, because we all knew that that wasn't gonna last, didn't we? I mean, I have kind of let my hair chill. The last time I dyed it was when I highlighted it last, which I want to say was like around 2 months ago, maybe 1.5 months, maybe almost borderline 2 months. So she's chilling right now, so it's so funny to me when I refer to things as she for some reason. Anyways, this is the color of my hair right now. It's like a light brown with like light streaks of blonde in it. I really want to dye this whole chunk blonde right here because I had that before and it was a whole look. And I like really miss my split tone hair, but I can't be fucked going back to that since I spent so much time and effort and did so much damage to my hair to get rid of it and to get my hair to one color, because it was a fucking struggle, let me tell you that much. Yeah, so I really can't do that right now. Maybe later on down the road we will, but not anytime soon. But the thing is this like portion of my hair is like the most fragile like portion of my hair. Like this one piece right here, it took forever to get this long because it would just constantly like break off back to this length, and I really don't want to do that again. So I could either full send it and just do it anyway, or not be a dumbass and do something that I know I'm gonna regret. So I've been thinking about maybe parting my hair on this side though. I haven't done that since I was in like middle school.
I ain't do that since like middle school.
I just got a highlighting kit that I got before. It works pretty well. It's just Beyond the Zone. Highlighting caps are so much fucking easier than doing the weird little method, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be using a highlighting cap, and that is just that. So I'm gonna look very ridiculous in this video because nothing is more unattractive than when you have a highlighting cap on your head. I'm just gonna change my shirt and we're gonna put this fucking stupid highlighting cap on my head, pull the hair through in my rooms so I can be close to this mirror and I don't have to stand up because I'm a lazy piece of shit. And then we'll go in the bathroom and we'll bleach the hoe. So yeah, what comes in the kit? This is the kit, by the way. It's the Beyond the Zone Radical. Let's open her up. So in this you get developer. Boom. This is 40 volume. If you want to use a lesser volume, you can. I usually go for a nice 30. Getting a little crazy Beyond the Zone, but I honestly might just full send and do the 40. Bleach powder, a applicator brush, which is like super small, like whatever. Gloves, your bleach cap, a hook, and like a little mixer thing. And then also like one of these like spoolies, which I'm sure is used for some kind of cool technique, but I've never used this. So, but we might keep it for the brows. I got some of these like metal needles, which are all different sizes, so you can kind of control how much hair you want to pull out. But I'm just like a pro or whatever, so that's why I have this. Let's put this cap on and look ridiculous. I'm sorry if my boo is watching this. I apologize if this is what you're in a relationship with or whatever. Here she is, boys, in all its glory. And I have a fat head. I don't think they like took that into consideration when they were like making these, is that some people have massive fucking domes and I am one of those people, and this is always like so tight on my head. Smoking big old doinks in Amish, am I right? Well, I don't know if I'm gonna use this plastic hook that came with it. I think I'm gonna use the ones that I bought. Yeah. All right, let's tie her up. Ooh, kinky. Is this a cool angle? This is pretty crazy. We're just gonna keep going and pulling them through. Pulling them through, boys. These are already kind of chunky. A lot chunkier than what I was doing before, so. See what I'm saying? My head is just like too big for this. It really is. Oh my god, I didn't change my shirt. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get my shirt off after this. Should I start now? I'm gonna change my shirt. Okay. Shirt is changed. Mission successful. I'm sorry if you hear my sister's dog. He literally barks at like air. Did I hit record? I did. Good shit, Kenzie. You're like kind of a YouTuber, right? Not a very good one, but it's cool. For like the very top, this portion, I'm gonna do kind of both holes. Oh my god. Really set myself up for that one. I'm gonna do both holes. The one fuck. Do both, the ones with the blue circles and the ones without on top. I'm just waiting for one day for that big YouTuber that's a hairdresser that like reacts to people dyeing their hair at home to like come across one of my videos and be like, this is a fucking disaster. This is a disaster. Because it is a disaster. So like this is just like this is a look. This is a fucking look. She is bad. Wife her up. Jordan, I'm talking to you. Wife her up. Ah! Fuck. Shit, bitch. Young chick arrested. I'm getting really rich. I'm over it already. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's just a lot of work, and this is all I have done so far. That's a lot of hair. Wow. Okay. I also think, like, with whatever leftover bleach I have, I'm going to add some peekaboos down here because I want to do, like, some purple strips or some red strips in it. We're going to get a little crazy. You know, it's been a minute. Tay Money. Oh my god, I have the fucking biggest crush on Tay Money. She just came out with her music video for 2K, and I swear to god I watched that like 900 times just because she's so fucking fine. True life, I have the fattest crush on Tay Money. Tay Money. Tay Money. I almost impulsively bought extensions today. And then I was like, why are you so obsessed with me?
And I was like, why are you so obsessed with me?
And I was like, no, dude, like, first of all, I feel like clip-in extensions, like, if you wear them a lot, they make your hair thinner, and my hair is already kind of thin. Probably because I do shit like this to it, but that's besides the point. Alright, so I'm gonna continue doing this all the way around, and I'll see you when it's all pulled through. So, we have it all done. This is such a look. We're gonna go to the bathroom now, and we're gonna bleach this shit. We're back and we're looking ridiculous. That didn't work how I wanted it to, but it's cool.
2 shots of vodka.
And we're gonna mix her. Okay, boys, we are all done. You should honestly really avoid getting bleach on the highlighting cap because that's how it bleeds through and creates like little spots that you really don't want. So I'm gonna leave this on for probably like a half an hour, and then I'll check it and see. I feel like a half an hour should be sufficient. Serving looks. Okay, I'm gonna hop in the shower now. I left it on for like a little longer than, I want to say like 40 minutes, and I'm not going to leave it on any longer unless I want my hair to just melt off my fucking head.
3 days later.
Okay, so this is what the hair's looking like. So basically, it was super blonde. I'll post a picture on the screen somewhere right here. You dig? So that's what it looked like when I just let it dry after bleaching it. Hold on, my eyelash is giving me a cockeye. I toned it after, and this is the color now. The toner definitely toned it down, okay? I just used the Wella T18 toner, which is the toner I usually use. But it is a nice shade of blonde. Looks like this. She's nice. Like, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. We're chilling right now. Yeah, this is what my hair looks like. It's kind of nice. Kind of digging it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.